Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to move the Windows taskbar in Windows XP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the taskbar and select where it says lock the taskbar. Make sure it's unchecked, and then you just drag it over to a different section of the screen, and you can make it smaller or larger as well by just dragging the bar. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And then once you have it wherever you would ideally like it on your screen, you just would right click on it and select lock the taskbar. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.